today we're going to be making another Ram Rebel video, and this one is going to consist of a little update on the BDS lift kit. Just kind of a little overview of what I think about it. You know, I've had it installed now on the truck for about 3 months. Let's see how many miles I've done on it, because I reset the trip count. I think I've done about 3,000 miles on it, so I've definitely gotten some use out of it on the road. So yeah, as we can see on here, I've done 3,700 miles with the BDS lift kit. So if this area looks a little familiar to you, it's where I first filmed the reveal video of the lift kit. So I just thought it was right to come back here and do the review. You know, I've had this lift kit now on for 3 months, about almost 4,000 miles on it. Not a lot of issues. So I'm just gonna make a little review video for you guys, you know, if you might be interested in doing this mod to your Rebel. So a lot of questions I get are, was it worth it? How much did it cost? You know, does the truck feel much more sluggish? Is there a lot of cabin noise? And, you know, just overall reliability of it. The only issue I have with the lift kit is the the active suspension. With this truck, if you're in normal mode and you get onto the highway, as soon as you hit 70 miles an hour, it should drop into aero mode. That doesn't happen for me anymore. I'm not really sure what it is. They did have an issue with the truck when they were doing the install, with the truck going into the alignment mode. So I think if I bring it to the dealership and have them do a system recharge on the full air suspension, I should be good. But that's the only issue I have right now. It'll still go from off-road to normal mode. You know, as soon as I hit 25 miles an hour, if the truck's in off-road mode, it's gonna drop. But it's not doing the same from normal to aero. And so now I'm gonna go to a clip and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see there, the truck, it's in off-road mode, lit up, all lit up right there. So as soon as I hit 25 miles per hour, it's gonna drop back down in the normal mode just like it should. So here you go, let me show you. Bring it up to speed real quick. And there you go. As soon as it hits 25, it starts to lower back down into normal mode. So you see, that's working perfectly fine. As soon as I hit 70 miles per hour, the truck should automatically go into aero mode. So let me show you what I was talking about. All right. Let's cruise on up to 70. How instant it was as soon as the truck hit 25 to drop from off-road to air to normal. It should be the same. Okay, question number 2. Is the truck louder, or are the tires in general, do they make, you know, the humming noise or anything like that? Of course they do. These tires, they're a lot bigger than, you know, the stock tires. The stock tires are 33s. These are 35s. But they're also a mud terrain tire. Look at the tread. Yeah, they're definitely gonna make noise. And, you know, is it loud? You know, that's subjective. That's an opinion. Personally, I don't think they're too loud. Other people are real anal when it comes to that. You know, a lot of people don't like drone, they don't like cabin noise. To me, I think it sounds like a lifted truck should sound. Lifted trucks, you know, they're known for having that little hum. This truck definitely has it with these tires. The lift kit doesn't affect that at all. That has all to do with your tire choice. These are a Pro Comp MT2 Extremes. Mud terrain. They make noise. So now I'm going to go to a clip and hopefully you can hear what I'm talking about. does the truck feel any more sluggish with the big tires? Honestly, I don't think so. This truck with the V8, the Hemi, it's a really powerful engine, you know, good torque. I really don't think the little bit of added weight due to the tires and the wheels, it's really not going to make that much of a difference in my opinion. So do a little short clip here of a little burst from a rolling up to about 60. I'll cue that right now for you guys. Nope, not much slower. Is the stopping power reduced due to the size of the wheels and tires? Again, same like the acceleration and the power. I don't think any of that was sacrificed going with the bigger wheels and tires. The brakes on this truck are really good. Even the stock tires and wheels that were on these were 33s. You know, they were a big tire. They were, you know, they were an all-terrain, but they were definitely more focused for off-road. So I think, you know, Dodge took that into consideration with their brakes. So the brakes are really good. I'm gonna do a little 40 to 0 stop for you guys so you can see firsthand. I'll do a little timer on it and everything. So here you go. All right, start the timer. Not too bad for a big truck. How does it do off-road? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I haven't really taken it off-road that much. I haven't really had enough time. You know, I live in Florida. We're at sea level. The biggest hills or terrain we have are the landfills, and I'm not driving on landfills periodically. You know, sometimes this truck, the most off-road it goes is the little construction sites like that. It does well in construction sites, but I would imagine most trucks do. You know, I go off-road, you know, through some grass or through some brush. Most I ever do, it's handled perfectly fine in that kind of terrain. You know, it goes through mud perfectly fine. The tires, you know, they're made for mud, so no problems there. But I can't really comment too much on trail riding. I'm really gonna try and get up to Ocala, get to Hard Rock Off-Road Park pretty soon and do a real off-road review for you guys. All right guys, so there you have it. I answered 5 questions for you guys regarding the Rebel with the BDS lift kit. Like I said, I've had it for 3 months now, roughly 4,000 miles. I'm gonna do another review at about 10,000 miles to see if I still feel the same way about it, see if I come into any more issues. And I'm also gonna bring this to the dealership pretty soon and get the system recharged, the air suspension, to see if that fixes the issues I'm having from going to normal to aero mode. I'm really thinking that's the issue, but you know, we'll only figure that out once we get to the dealership. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit that like button. I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button.
So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.